Hey guys, and we're gonna be making Easy Bake today.
I only need one of these.
Today we're gonna be making some cakes.
Go ahead.
Okay, so I'm gonna put the strawberry cake in here real quick. I'm gonna put it in there real quick. So this is what it looks like. It looks like pink. And now I'm gonna get this spoon and mix it. I'll be right back, guys. So guys, this is how it went so far. That's the baby pink, and that's the spoon. And this is the spray. Now we can, now use it to eat. Well, not yet. We're gonna use the flour. I'm gonna put the flour on there. And then we're gonna put the flour on a paper towel. Then we're gonna roll it up into balls, and then we're gonna place it on the tray. Then we're gonna put it in the oven and do the frosting.
You have to put it in the pan.
Yeah, that's what I said.
You don't have to roll it up. Are you putting it in the pan, or you want me to put it in?
I think I want you to do it. Put it all in there. Now we just gotta put it in the oven and make the frosting.
Yes. The oven is heating up.
The oven is right over here, guys. This is one of the cool Easy Bake ovens. Do you like Easy Bake too? Comment down below. I love Easy Bake. It's heating up right now because you see the blue, and it's, yeah. This sort of looks like.
Is it on?
Yeah, it's on. So we're just gonna put it in the oven, and then we're going to make the frosting. Stuff on the table. This is the type of Easy Bake we're making the cakes.
16 minutes.
Wait, there's something in here. What's that? Guys, there's something in here. I thought I took all of it. Let me see. Oh, it's the frosting. The frosting will kind of look like the, Oh, there's 2 frosting mixes. Hard confetti. Okay. This is what it looks like so far. It's kind of slimy a little bit.
Okay, 16 minutes.
16 minutes.
Set the timer.
Set the timer.
There you go.
16 minutes on the clock.
Watch out.
This is what our kitchen looks like. Let me step back a little so you can get a closer view.
Okay, we'll make the icing in 10 minutes.
Okay. 14 minutes left, so 14 minus that 10. That means we have 4 more minutes on the clock, well, I think so, no, wait, 6 more minutes till 10, so when it's 10 minutes, we'll do the frosting, guys. So, yeah. Shh. No one's here. I'll take some mints. Oops. Take 2. Put them in my pocket. This is not my pocket. Better hurry up. Okay. Okay, it's baking. It's really a while. While that's baking, I'm gonna be actually eating this minty mint. Oh, and you might saw these mints on the Valentine's video of Barbie Life. Anyway, subscribe. No, this is at the end of the video, but guys, please subscribe to my channel. Please, please, please. I have no subscribers yet. I don't know what's going on, but I have to have at least some subscribers, please. Oh, someone's coming.
Alrighty.
Yay!
You using the pink frosted mix?
Mm-hmm.
Pour it in there.
Okay. I poured it in there, and I mixed it. It still looks like that. 2 more minutes, guys. 2 more minutes.
Come on in, baby. Let me cut that off your thing.
44, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 0. It's ready.
Okay.
It smells good. I wish you guys could smell this, but it smells really good.
Oh, I need a piece of paper. You don't...
Let me wear my handy dandy glove real quick.
I don't know how you gonna get
I got
over
my
it.
handy dandy glove. Okay, let's see. This looks the same thing like the frosting. This looks like the same thing as the frosting.
What do?
The
It
cake.
is. Strawberry cake. Strawberry frosting.
Yep, see guys? The frosting's pink and the cake is pink. This is my handy dandy glove right here. It doesn't fit me that much. But
I let the cake cool off.
You have no idea how many others have made sacrifices so you could live. It wasn't so you could come here and experience puppy love like a real live boy. John.
oh, and by the way, guys, have you seen my other uploads? Hope you have. And for the gymnastics one, I give a big shout out to not a big shout out. Well, give a big thanks to Come and Play With Me because she helped me make that channel helped me make the two uploads that I just uploaded. Not the zoo one, but the gymnastics one and the Valentine's one. So subscribe to her channel, subscribe to mine. We're not finished yet. Just 2 more minutes for this video, guys. 1. So, yeah. We're just gonna let you see the frosting, and then we're gonna say goodbye. See, guys, I'm gonna put the frosting on it right now.
Oh, it hurts.
It's kind of soft a little bit. It's kind of soft, kind of. This is the frosting. This is the cake. Which Which one do you think is pinker? I think the frosting. But if you think the cake, it's still okay. Okay, comment down below if you agree with me or not. But I think the frosting is a little pinker because look. And this is kind of browner, but it's okay. You can decide. Which one is pinker? Okay, you're gonna put the icing on it. Yeah. Okay, I put frosting on it. And I put those sprinkles on it too. Well, guys, hope you like and subscribe and comment down below and ring the bell. And last but not least, bye-bye.